So typically I'm not a lazy person, but for some reason when it comes to washing my makeup brushes, I just don't do it. I procrastinate a lot, and then the next thing I know, it's been a month and I am left with some dirty makeup brushes and my face is left with some beautiful acne. This is a machine that I found out recently. I got it from Flipkart. It is a makeup cleansing machine. So it has these little bristles inside and you can stick your brushes in here and we're gonna see if it actually works. I'm going to place a nourishing shampoo as the cleanser. This is very gentle, so I put 4 pumps in there. So the recommended amount of brushes you put in here are 4. So I have exactly 4 brushes that I use the most. These little things are made of plastic that is stretchable. To put this in there, making sure that all the brush part is nicely inside the water level. Now, one con in here is that this is not wireless. It's attached to the socket. There. Oh, okay. One of them is shaking because it's the smallest one, but the ones that are a little thicker are in one spot, but that doesn't matter as long as the bristles get cleaned up. Wow, look at that dirty water. This is so satisfying to watch. I love that little blue light peeking from here. Quite aesthetic. Okay, now the water is all lathered up. It's getting super dirty, and we're gonna see what it did to the brushes. I'm just gonna touch this. Okay, these look clean, but they are all lathered up, so I can't really see. So now I'm going to put some clean water in there and rinse them one more time. The water is clean, and I am going to push the button one more time and rinse the soap out. And then we're going to see what it did. So usually it takes me about 15 minutes and a lot of handshaking to wash my makeup brushes. Of course, it's nothing that I can do, but this is going to make my job so much easier. Plus, it is good for my soul. It's so satisfying. Wow, the water got dirty again. That's the amount of sound, by the way. I thought I should put that in too. And it's silent once you put it in. Pretty good, huh? Okay. That is pretty clean. And I am just going to put that to dry. Look at the water too. Wow. Okay. What do you think of this product? Let me know. I'll link the product in my pinned comment if you want to check it out. I would say it is a good gadget, and you can fit in a lot of brushes in here, but the recommended amount is 4, so I stuck to that, and these are the 4 that I use the most, so this will be a pretty handy dandy for me. I give it 8 out of 10.